Hi, my name is Renier with Wilson Hyundai on Lakeland Drive. Want to introduce you to the very exciting N Sport Veloster Rally Edition. This is Hyundai's rally car that they use over in Europe. They made one special edition to come out to be street legal in the US. I'm going to do part one on this because we just got this in. We're going to have to run it through the inspection, and then we're going to do part two where we're going to take it out on the road so I can show you guys this vehicle. So absolutely, what a gorgeous car. If you come around right over here, this is a performance blue color with a black interior. It is a 2.0 twin scroll turbo engine, okay? And I want to show you at the back when we talk about that with the system that's on here that comes standard, specially built for the Veloster N Sport, okay? The horsepower is about 250 horsepower, a little bit stronger than our current Velocitors out there because this is a rally edition. So very, very excited about this vehicle, okay? As you can see, we've got a two-tone color. It's a 6-speed manual, okay? Completely a little different design on there because this is completely separate from our other regular Velocitors. And I'm going to do in part two, I'm going to do basically a demonstration on driving the vehicle where you can actually also hear the vehicle on it too. It's got a special tip on the back over here. It's got some carbon fiber on here, and also we have the special exhaust system on the N Sport. And absolutely, when you crank this car, you'll hear it. But this is a little sporty rally edition that is now street legal. This is one of a kind here at Wilson Hyundai on Lakeland Drive. Please come out and see me. My name is Renier. I'm a specialist on all the vehicles out here. Would love to take you out and drive this beautiful little sporty car. Part two, I'm going to do an actual full demonstration on the car to introduce you guys to the Hyundai Veloster, because it is actually a 3-door coupe, not a 2-door coupe. Again, my name is Renier with Wilson Hyundai, and we'll be doing part two on the N Sport Veloster. Come out and see me on Lakeland Drive, Wilson Hyundai, and ask for Renier, the South African guy.